Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will explain how to file divorce papers yourself. First, you need to confirm your eligibility for a do-it-yourself divorce in your state. Many states require one party to reside there for at least 6 months before filing. Next, collect all necessary personal and financial documents for both you and your spouse. This includes income statements, property deeds, and debt information. Having these prepared will streamline the initial steps significantly. Once you've confirmed eligibility, the next step is to obtain the correct forms. You can usually find these on your county court's website or by visiting the court clerk's office. Look for documents like the petition for dissolution of marriage and a summons. Carefully fill out every section, ensuring all information is accurate and complete. Incomplete forms can cause significant delays in your filing process. After completing your forms, take them to the court clerk's office to file them. Be prepared to pay a filing fee, which can vary but is often around $200 to $300. Next, you must legally serve your spouse with the filed papers. This usually means hiring a process server or sending them via certified mail with a return receipt requested. Proper service is a critical legal requirement. After your spouse is served, they typically have about 30 days to respond to the petition. If they do not respond, you might proceed with a default judgment. If they do respond, you will need to negotiate a marital settlement agreement. This document outlines the division of assets, debts, and any child-related matters. Finally, attend all scheduled court hearings to obtain your final divorce decree.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.